Is a lifelong journey that you need to make to find a right team. But when you just find that, I think it's gonna be awesome team, and I think your courage will increase a lot. That is courage for me. Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Contro Podcast. You are listening to Consan Show, episode number 219, and in this episode, we'll discuss about courage that comes with your environment. What am I really talking about? Courage that comes with your environment. If you change your environment, you will be more courageous. That's for sure. And we'll discuss about it. Let's get started. Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Contro Podcast. You are listening to Constant Show. Never listen to any advice, guys. That's the advice that I want. These are nothing but you practice, you will become an expert one. Your network is your net worth. But I don't know how to start. Just start. The people who are around you, the environment that you live in every single day, those people are the biggest courage motivating factor in your entire life. How do you get influenced in your life? It is by your friends, it is by your environment. For me, my teammates have been my greatest motivation. Our teammates, what we do is we just stay together, and we just motivate each other. That gives us more courage every day to take more rest, to understand each other. So it's an awesome team that we have today, and to figure out a right team, it takes tons of effort. But if you got the right team, trust me, that's the biggest part of your own business. And in your business, team is the biggest factor, and courage is one of the greatest factor. I'll give you an example. Let's say a world class stunt man is just gonna try a new stunt, a life challenging stunt. What is a life challenging stunt? In the sense, a death defining stunt. If he just miss that, or if he just fails that particular stunt, it's a death defining stunt. So if he fails to do that, what really happens is he may fall down, and he may break his leg, or he might be dead. At that particular moment, what he tries to do is he'll just have a safety net below it. So below the stunt, he has a safety net. Something just goes wrong, that net would support him. Just like that, you'll have many people in your life. Because come on, he's a world famous stunt artist, and he's a world famous man, and he's best in the world. Why don't we do this new trick, or do this new stunt without a net? Because even though people are really brave, they need someone to support you, and you need someone to support you in this world, saying that I'm backing up you up. So I'm backing up you, so you don't have to worry. You don't have to worry about the end goal. You just don't have to worry that you will fail. I'm with you to support you. So find that beautiful people that you have in your life. I know it's gonna be a hard journey for sure. It's not gonna be that easy as I tell you, but to be true, it would be worth. It is a lifelong journey that you need to make to find a right team. But when you just find that, I think it's gonna be awesome team, and I think your courage will increase a lot. That is courage for me. So today's shout out, it's for one of my friend. His name is Yogesh. His Instagram ID is over here, yo underscore believer. So this person, he is actually a vegetarian, and he has built his body so well. It needs lots of efforts to do that. There are people who just go against their values, saying that they have to eat non-vegetarians, and they have to be non-vegetarians to build a body. They have to eat chicken, and they have to eat some flesh to build a body. But this person, Yogi Shah, so this person have built his body without all that. He just eats complete vegetables. He just eats a he's complete vegetarian, to be true. So this person have built it, and you guys can text him for some suggestions. And I'm giving shout out to everyone who just comment on my pictures, podcast, Instagram post, and my YouTube, all that. So if you could comment over here, I think you'll be the next person who will be featured in my podcast. And yeah, if you could hit that red button, that means a lot to me. And hit that notification button to deliver. I'll deliver daily motivation for sure. If you could hit that before you wake up, my videos will be on your phone. And yeah, thanks a lot for listening to this podcast. Or if you're watching it on YouTube, make sure you hit that red button. That means a lot to me. And yeah, I'll get back to you tomorrow in my next podcast. Until then, it's me Sanjay signing off from Contra Podcast. Meet you guys at the top. Bye bye. Thank you.